And we're back to learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a beach ball icon. Let us start with the ellipse tool, and I hold Ctrl when I drag this. Then press Ctrl D and I drag a copy out of there. Ctrl D again for another copy. And when I have the overlap of both, I'll hold Shift, click on both circles, path and intersection. That should be fine to use. Let me give it a different color. I'll copy this circle once more, Ctrl D. I'll size this up, holding Ctrl. Now make sure that you can see your rulers. If you can't see them, Ctrl R. And define a random point, maybe here. Enable snapping. And this element snaps into this position. And we also want to activate the snapping for the rotation center, which is the plus sign. So if you click 2 times on an element, you can see this plus sign, reposition it, and then you can rotate the element. You may want to disable the snapping for now, then you can rotate it better. I'll press Ctrl D on the object, so there are 2 overlapping each other. Make the rotation 120 and then apply it. Again, Ctrl D and apply. Create another ellipse. Enable the snapping again. Hold Shift and Ctrl when you do. Then Ctrl D on this little circle, size it down, holding Shift and Ctrl. And these are all the elements that we need. Now it's just about resizing it or repositioning it. Let me get rid of the guides. We don't need them anymore. I shift click on all the red elements and I give it a different color. And I make the black elements white. Now I'll create a background just to show you this. I'll put it to the back. So this is what we've got. I'll bring the black circle to the top. And the snapping helps me in finding the center position. Ctrl A to select it all, hold Shift, click on the background to deselect that, then right click on the other elements and set a clip. So the most crucial step is to find a good position. Just experiment with it. But the process to create such a beach ball icon is always the same. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.